There you go. Alright, got the brand new, oh come on, there we go, brand new TurboXS titanium tip axle back exhaust, installing onto this 2006 Subaru Impreza. So yeah, we're about to install it right now. So it is the next day. As you can see, we got the stock exhaust stock, axle back exhaust stock, and we got the TurboXS titanium tip axle back exhaust on. Looks great, well, quote unquote on, because we did actually run into some problems. Well, a minor problem. Alright, so as we under here, so we got it on the clips. Well, we didn't actually put it on both. We have that one. It's not on this, on that one, on the right one, but it is on the left and the middle. But that is because if I can get it here, it doesn't quite fit properly, and I think that's a combination of the rust kind of wearing away at his mid-pipe here, so around the flange, it's worn away, which is leaving this little gap, and the old gasket is also in really bad shape. Now typically, when doing this, you would have one gasket, which would be this one here. However, because of this, it's worn away, and also because this is I believe a 2.25 inch diameter, and the new TurboXS is 3 inches, so it's a very big difference. So this axle back is designed for a WRX. However, this Subaru is not actually a WRX. It is actually a 2.5i. Geez. So this exhaust technically was not designed for this car. However, we're trying to make it work. So what we did is we ordered another gasket, a new one. So we're hoping that if we're gonna use 2 gaskets, it'll kind of plug up this hole here. And another problem we kind of ran into is the holes don't line up quite right. Like the distance between the holes on both this flange and this one are the same. However, it's a bit more rotated on the mid-pipe here than the axle back, so we're having problems kind of lining it up. I think we're gonna make it work. That's why that clip is not on. It's kind of hanging only by the mid and the left one. That's so we can kind of get it to rotate a bit more, so we can try and get those holes to line up. And then we have to wait for that gasket to get here on Monday, which is tomorrow, and hopefully that will fix the problem, hopefully. If not, worst case scenario, we're gonna have to go to a welder and get the flange rotated, but that's worst case scenario, so hopefully we won't have to do that. Alright, so it is Monday now, it's the next day, and the gasket showed up, so hopefully we'll get this installed, and it'll kind of plug up just so we won't have any exhaust leaks, and the holes will line up, so let's get this installed. Alright, so we got the gaskets on. We also added a slight piece of metal in the middle just to make sure there's no gap, which there did end up being a very slim, you can't even see on camera, a very slight gap. We managed to, these holes didn't line up perfectly, but we managed to squeeze it in. So it's all bolted up, hangers are on, and it's ready for a startup. Alright, first startup with the TurboXS titanium tip exhaust axle bag.
Don't go in reverse.
Yeah.